as I told you in the last video, we'll be seeing about what is the invalidator for int with base 10. So let's dive right in. What is this int? This, as I told you in the last before video, int is something that defines the input that the user gives. Now the int can be expanded as integer, so we tell the computer that the input that's going to come in from the user is going to be an integer. Now this int is also called as a data type. So there are many types of data types, as you can see, like string, int, float, complex, list, tuple, range, etc. Most of us use int while we deal with numbers. So now, as int is a problem, we can make it simple by just giving the input function. Just type input and then open the bracket and close the bracket. Now if I run this, whatever I type, we'll be seeing a program now. It's not a very big program like this, but it's just a small program. In this program, we'll be getting the name from the user, and then the age of the user, and then the date of birth of the user, and we'll be printing it like a table. So as I told you, first we'll always start out with the print function. We'll tell the user what we are going to do. So let's tell the user and then again let's do the print function, in which we say please enter your name, and then we ask for the input. Now the name will not be a number, so we can just type the input. So now there is the new thing here. We have to define each input, that is, we give a variable to an input, that so that it will be easy for us to access it. Now I give s as this input, so I give s as input, and then I go down and then I print. Again I give the print function. Now I ask them to enter the age. I give a to the age, and then this has to be a number, so let's give int an input, and then I give date of birth. Now there's a problem in the date of birth. People tend to enter the date of birth as like this with hyphens and so on. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to please enter your date of birth, and then I give as, or I can give please enter the date in which you were born. So I give this as D, and then I give the print function again. Now I say please enter the in which you were born. And I give the month. And then again I give please enter the year in which you. Now this might be long for some people, so There is another alternative which I'll be showing shortly. But for now, let's use this. Now, as I told you, we have to print the biodata as a table. So I give the print function, and then I give your instead of you we can use their name. So what we can do in Python is we give the name, or we had defined the name as input here. S, we had given the name, the variable s, that is the input, the variable s. So we can simply put s here and then a comma and then open the brackets and then put you were born on, and then I give a, and then I give d, and then I give not a, sorry, I give d as we define the date as d, and then I give the, now I give a hyphen in the middle so that it's very easy for us to know that it's the date. Now instead of this we can also use the plus if we want, or the comma is better. So and then m is what we have defined as the month in which they were born. So then I give a hyphen, and then the year, so I give the year. Now that's all. Let's run the program. Now there are some errors in this. I'll quickly fix this.
2 hours later.
I had fixed the errors. I had missed this comma here, so I had run this program and got this. Now there's one thing which we missed here. We missed the age. So please enter your age. It has asked for the age and I had entered my age, but we didn't print your age. It doesn't print my age. So again I give a comma and then your age is, and then I give it. So now if I run the program, so
1 eternity later.
So now as you can see, the name comes with a space, and then you were born on 9/11/2000 and your, so we can give and your age is here if we want. So thank you for watching this video guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.